Do you want to restore your engine and bring back the sort of performance it had when new? Well, engines, like all things in life, sometimes need a little bit of TLC. Nowadays, the average car can cover 200,000 miles in its life, and carbon deposits building up over that time is the root cause of 90% of all engine component failures. To remedy this, UKCC Auto Techs offer a state-of-the-art decarbonising mobile service, restoring efficiency without having to dismantle your engine. This can not only prevent potential issues on the horizon, but can sometimes rectify damage already done, saving you time and money on any expensive repairs. This process works by applying UKCC's chemicals and state-of-the-art hydrogen-based decarbonising system to your engine through the air intake and fuel system. Depending on your vehicle type and requirements, these unique advanced technologies pulse the hydrogen and chemicals through the air intake and fuel system to dissolve the carbon that prevents your engine from running efficiently. The system is suitable for any petrol, diesel or hybrid engines and will quickly and safely remove carbon build-up deposits from the whole engine system in just 30 to 45 minutes. Client claim benefits for a multitude of vehicles include restored power, performance and fuel efficiency, as well as improved vehicles' emissions. So get in touch today and speak with one of the UK's only trading standards and Checkatrade approved carbon cleaning companies.